I went to a good yard sale finally. Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back for another video. This is a small yard sale haul. I went to a good yard sale finally. If you've been following my adventures in thrifting, unboxing, yard sailing, estate sales, and reselling stuff online, then you know I kind of complain a little bit. I try to keep things positive, but I do complain a little bit about the yard sales in my area being very overpriced and people just having a bunch of junk, essentially. Well, I actually found a good yard sale, so I want to show you a few of the things that I got. I came home, washed it all, and I already sold a bunch of it in my live Whatnot show. If you have not been over to the app Whatnot, I have a link in the description. If you are new and you sign up, you get $15 free money to shop on Whatnot. And I go live there a few times a week. So come and find me at the Grateful Queen on Whatnot. So let me show you a few things that I got and already sold real quick. This is a 1 September shirt, which is an Anthropology brand. 1 September. They make these kind of like vintage inspired things. This is a really pretty tank. It's got some like rosette details and a really cute little print. That's sold on Whatnot. I got this Free People top. It's just a crop top. Here's the Free People, one of the many Free People tags. And the back hit is all ruffles, metallic and lace ruffles. The girls wear these with their high-waisted jeans. I knew this item would be popular. These are from you're seeing these number tags because when I do a live auction, I get like 35 items together. And then I number them so that when people are in the chat, they can just request, hey, can I see number 6? And it's easy. Graphic tees are so popular. This is a Pink Floyd tie-dye graphic tee in a size XL. I'm really looking for graphic tees right now. I got this Cloth and Stone shirt. I love this brand, Cloth and Stone. It can be pretty pricey. They do have it at stores like Marshall's and TJ Maxx. This is a popover, so it doesn't button all the way down. It only goes halfway, so you pop it over. It's cotton. It's got a contrasting trim. This is another graphic tee. It's Frida Kahlo, and it says, I paint my own reality. Such a great graphic. And this one actually sold to my friend Leslie at a Reseller's Passion. She does tie-dye and bleaching and stuff, so she's going to rework that baby. This is a Levi's shirt. I think it's a men's large, but I think anybody could wear it. It has these pearl snap buttons, these Western style shirts that have this. It's called a pearl snap. These denim shirts have always sold well for me. These kind of Western inspired lightweight denim or chambray shirts. This is one of the better things that I found there, but it does have some issues, so I'm gonna have to work on it. This is the brand Kuhl, K-U-H-L. This is a very expensive brand. It's sold at stores like REI. This probably retailed for $150. It's a hooded wool jacket. Now, it does have a couple little, what would you call that? It does have a couple little spots where the wool is worn thin. The holes don't go all the way through because it's multi-layer wool. This needs a little sweater shave. I'll have to disclose those little spots where the wool is worn thin, but I think I'll still be able to sell this. got this for $10, you guys. This is a Patagonia bag. I don't exactly know what this bag is. I'll have to do a little bit of research. It's a backpack. It's really clean and in good shape. Yeah, I just got this stuff out of the wash. I forgot. This is actually in the haul. This is weatherproof. I really like this brand. I think it's a men's XL flannel, but flannels have been selling so well for me. This one is Tommy Bahama. Fortunately, it's a small, but it feels so good. Another kind of flannel type, perfect for fall. These are Lucky Brand size small. They're to 10-cell lyocell little shorts. This is a Free People top. I can't believe this was amongst all that stuff because there was a lot of junk. I'm going to try this one on. Lots of Free People beautiful details, and if it doesn't work for me, it'll end up on Whatnot. And these have a lot of wear, but they're vintage Oshkosh overalls. Like a big old pair. So even though they have some damage, I think they'll still sell okay. I bought this little vintage bag. I'm just going to use it to decorate. It's so gorgeous. This is all needlepoint. This might have some resale value, so I will look it up, but I might actually just end up keeping this pretty little bag. This brand is a Bolo brand. It is so expensive. It's called Citron Santa Monica. Now, this I got relatively cheap because it's got a little bit of issues. I'm trying to find the tag to show you guys. Oh, maybe it's on the slip. So this is 100% silk. It's Citron Santa Monica. It's a size XL. This is a very expensive brand. It does really well in the larger sizes. This is the slip. So this is a gorgeous silk dress. They do a lot of like Asian inspired stuff. She wanted 10 for it. I talked her down to 5, which is an extraordinary deal, but it does have some issues. Like there's just a little bit of pulls in the silk and the fabric, so I'm going to have to disclose that. And then I got some cards. I might go back to this yard sale. I'm going to share these with my mom. They're doing the yard sale all weekend. They might be bringing out more stuff, so I'll probably go again maybe with PD tomorrow. So my total was $40 for all that stuff, which I think is pretty good, especially the Patagonia bag. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I think this is such a good fall piece. I've been talking for a while. These denim shirts, these denim shirts have always sold well. I can't talk. I've been talking on Whatnot for an hour. There's a couple other things. I'll be right back. BRB. Is this a little blurry? Let me see. And I'll have to disclose that there are those little, they're not holes. What are they? There's not really holes in it or stains or anything, but you know, silk gets these little pulls, so that might decrease the value a little bit. And then I got, and it's, oh no, is it broken? Oh no. No. And this is the dress. Let me maybe find a way to put it kind of together. I don't know how to put it all. I have to put this together somehow. Oh gosh, should plan this out better. Okay, this is a